students, today we will do median in continuous series. We have done individual and discrete series. So first of all, what do you mean by continuous series? The series in which we have classes and frequency. Again, we will use 3 steps to calculate median under continuous series. Let's see. First, arrange the series and calculate cumulative frequency. Let's take one example. Side by side, we will apply the steps. So I have taken one example. Classes is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency is given 6, 7, 10, 4, 3. So this is the question. Under continuous series we need to calculate median. So first arrange the series. It is already in arranged form. But if it is in unarranged form, then what will you do? You will arrange only classes and you will write frequency in the front of a particular class. Clear? So after arranging the classes and writing the frequency of the class of particular class, you will calculate cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency we can calculate. We know how to calculate. 6 plus 7 13 plus 10 23 plus 4 27 plus 3 30. So the total of this column 30 should be equal to the last value of the cumulative. So we have done this. Now second step is formula. M is equal to median is equal to size of n upon 2th term. Here it's very important that we don't have n plus 1. Here we have n upon 2. So in continuous series you need to learn that the formula is n upon 2. So n upon 2 term. So let's see, n means in continuous and in discrete series n means total of frequency, that is 30. So 30 upon 2, that is 15. So 15 term we have. Now third step, check term in CF. So we will check this term in CF, but it lies in the classes. So 15 term we will check. We will take the immediate bigger value. So immediate greater value will take, not equal to the value. If suppose we have 15 here, so you cannot take this class. We will take this class, the next class only. So always greater value you need to check. So 15 immediate greater value, immediate bigger value is 23. So it means this is the class. So check in CF but lies in class. So this class is selected to calculate median. So we will write M is equal to 15 term lies in 20 to 30 class. To find out a single value which lies between 20 to 30, it means your answer will lies between 20 to 30 only. So to find out a single value we need to use interpolation formula, that is L1 plus n upon 2 minus CFP upon F into I. L1 means lower limit, n upon 2, this is the second step, minus CFP, that is cumulative frequency of previous class, upon frequency. So here we don't have sigma f, we have only f. So frequency in front of the class which is selected. So frequency into I means interval. Interval means class interval. The gap between the class 20 to 30. How much gap is there? 10. So now let's see. Put the values. So lower limit, the class which we have selected, that is 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 lower limit is 20. That is L1 plus n upon 2. Second step. So after second step we have n upon 2 is 15 minus 13. 13 is a previous, the class which we have selected, the previous cumulative frequency 13. Clear? Upon frequency, that is 10 into class interval, that is 10. 30 and 20, the gap is 10. Now what you will do, you will solve this portion first of all and then you will add it in the 20. So let's see, 10 we can cancel. So 15 minus 13, 2. So 2 plus 20 we have 22. So 22 is the answer. Clear? So I will give you a question for practice. You will solve the questions, and we know that under continuous series we have some types like exclusive series, inclusive series, open and unequal, cumulative frequency. So let's do some types of continuous series. First is exclusive. The previous example which we have discussed, that is a example of exclusive series. Now second is inclusive series. So inclusive series is a series in which upper limit is included in the class. So this is the example of inclusive series. Already I have discussed in the previous chapter what it means and how we can convert it into the exclusive. In mean, conversion is not compulsory. You can convert or you cannot convert. You will get the same answer. Okay. But in median, it is compulsory to convert inclusive into exclusive. If you will not convert, then in that case you will get wrong answer. So let's see how will you convert. So this is inclusive series. It is given. So classes is given 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, and frequency is given. Now we need to convert this inclusive series into exclusive. So how will you convert? You will check the gap between the lower limit of the next class and the upper limit of the previous class. The gap is 1. It will be always same. So 1 is the gap, 1 divided by 2, that is 0.5. Now 0.5 you will deduct from the lower limit and you will add 0.5 in the upper limit. So in this way we can convert it into exclusive. So let's see, 0.5, 1 minus 0.5, we have 0.5. 10, that is upper limit, now add 0.5, 10.5. So similarly, lower limit, minus 0.5, we have 10.5, plus 0.5, 20.5. Clear? So in lower limit you will deduct 0.5 and in upper limit you will add 0.5. Here, after converting into exclusive, frequency remains same, then you will apply 3 steps and you will find the answer. So let's see, frequency is given, you can calculate cumulative, 4, 10, 20, 27, 30. So we have cumulative frequency. First step is done. Arrange the series and calculate CF. Second step, m is equal to size of n upon 2 term. So m is 30, 30 divided by 2, 15 term we have. So 15 term will check in the CF, lies in CF, but check in the CF but lies in the class. So this class we have selected. So this is the class which is selected for the median. So 15 term lies in 20.5 to 30.5. You cannot take this class, otherwise answer will be incorrect. Okay. So let's see, formula L1, that is lower limit, plus n upon 2 minus CFP upon FE2I. So lower limit, that is 20.5. Here it is compulsory to write 20.5. Don't take 21, otherwise you will get wrong answer. So 20.5 is the lower limit, plus 15, that is n upon 2 minus previous class cumulative frequency. So that is 10 divided by frequency into 10, that is class interval. Clear? So after putting all these values, you will calculate first this portion. So we have 5 plus 20.5 is 25.5. Clear? So if you will get any question of inclusive series, so you need to just remember one thing, that before applying 3 steps, you will first convert inclusive into exclusive, and you know how to convert it. Clear? Next is mid value. If mid value is given, we have example, mid value is given and frequency is given. So now what you need to do is, mid value what is given. So mid value means originally this series is a continuous series. So if it is a continuous series, so it is compulsory to apply steps of continuous series. Don't apply steps of discrete series. Clear? In median, the steps of discrete series and the steps of continuous series are different. So that's why we cannot apply the steps of discrete series on this series if mid value is given. So first you need to convert mid value into the classes, and then you will apply the steps, 3 steps, and you will calculate median. Clear? So let's see how to convert mid value into classes. So first take the difference. We have already discussed this thing in the previous chapter, how to convert into the classes. So mid value 5, 10, 15 it's given. So you can see the difference. Difference is 5. 5 divided 2, you will divide it by 2. We have 2.5. Now this 2.5, one time you will deduct from 5, one time you will add it. So when you will deduct 2.5 from the mid value, we will get lower limit. And when you will add 2.5 in the mid value, then you will get upper limit. So 5 minus 2.5, we have 2.5. That is lower limit. And 5 plus 2.5, we have 7.5, that is your upper limit. So in this way you can calculate all the classes. Frequency remains same, and after frequency you will calculate CF, calculate median. Next is open-end series. Open-end series means when first class, lower limit of the first class and the upper limit of the last class is not given. That is known as open-end series. Frequency is given. I have taken one example. So what you need to do in median, you just need to apply direct 3 steps. There is no need to find out the lower limit and the upper value of the last class. Why? Because median always lies in between. In between. So you, whenever you will get the class, class will be selected in between this. Neither first, never last. So you can solve it in the same way as we have calculated median in the exclusive series. Done? So do all these examples in your register. Thank you.